Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore product sync with Zapier between Shopify and spreadsheets step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to your Shopify dashboard. Log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Once logged in, click on Apps in the left side menu. Search for and select the Zapier app from your apps list. If you haven't installed it yet, click on Visit the Shopify App Store to find and install Zapier. After installation, go back to the Apps section and open Zapier. In the Zapier interface, click on Make a Zap to start creating a new workflow. Choose Shopify as your trigger app from the list. Select the specific trigger event you want to use, such as new product or updated product. Connect your Shopify account by following the prompts to authenticate. Once connected, click Continue and set up the trigger based on your preferences. Now, choose your spreadsheet application as the action app, like Google Sheets or Excel. Select the action event you want, such as Create Spreadsheet Row or Update Row. Connect to your spreadsheet account by authorizing Zapier. After connecting, click Continue and set up the action by mapping the necessary fields from Shopify to your spreadsheet. Review your settings and ensure everything is accurate. Once confirmed, click on Test and Continue to check if the connection works properly. If the test is successful, click Turn on Zap to enable this workflow. Monitor your Zapier dashboard to ensure the sync is working as intended. If you encounter any issues, check the connection settings between Shopify and your spreadsheet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.